Now we come to writing the thesis, and this is the how to do it chapter. And in some respects, I have the least to say in introducing this chapter because it is full of diagrams and I believe good advice. There's nothing much I can add to what is in the book. But one important aspect of this chapter is to say and to note that the thesis has a beginning, a middle and an end. And before you say, I've heard all this before because I studied English literature and novels at school and they said they had a beginning, a middle and an end, this is not the same as that typology, because in the discussion of these parts, you'll see that the introduction to the thesis is in the end section. It is one of the last things you write. Now, this chapter uses not only diagrams, flow diagrams, and one very important flow diagram would be figure 3.2, which is a series of questions, and like all question asking the right questions is the key to being able to discover and have new insights. So you'll find figure 3.2 along with other diagrams very useful. And there are also in this chapter the use of mini examples. For example, the discussion of methodology. It's all very well to say to a student, go away and write up the methodology section, which is a bit like saying to a primary school student, when you've learnt to behave yourself, you can come out of your room and resume the life in the family. Now, many children would be perplexed by that because you wouldn't know what it is to have learned how to behave yourself. That's just a trivial example. So that is why you'll find in this chapter many examples, meaning abbreviated, showing you how to do it or what it looks like. So again, I hope you find moving through this more how to do it chapter a useful path to writing your own thesis.